Why thoughts become things. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. And this video is about thoughts becoming things, and it's because I am actually writing an article for my friend Brian, who has a magazine and a radio show called Success Profiles Radio and Success Profiles Magazine. And so it's about thoughts becoming things, and he's interviewed somebody named Joe Vitale, which some of you might know. And anyway, the point of this video is that our thoughts are becoming things. So you're wondering why your life is the way it is right now. It's because of your thoughts, and it's because of what you think about most of the time. And we don't really we don't consider that too often or for too long, because we're so busy thinking and doing and getting things done, and we've created habits in our lives that don't even provide us with satisfaction so much anymore. And if that's you, then it's because of your thinking. And if you want to go deeper than that, we need to understand why we think the way we think. And most of us don't even think about the way what we're thinking about or why we're thinking about things, but we are constantly thinking about things that we know and understand and that are relevant to us. And the reason why we do this is because that's all we know, first of all. And then secondly, we didn't choose what our life would be like. It was when we were young, from 0 to 7 years old. And if you want to even go deeper than that, there's a part of our mind, it's called the subconscious mind. And think of the subconscious mind as a hard drive. And this hard drive doesn't have the ability to determine what is real and what is not. So when you watch the news, or you play a video game, or you watch a movie, that part of your mind thinks it's real. It thinks it's real and true, and it doesn't determine that it is not reality. And so I know that's mind-boggling, and you can research it. So if that's true, that what we see becomes real to us, then we have to be careful about what we're watching and what we're learning and paying attention to. Because if we don't, what we're seeing is going to be real in the back of our minds, and we won't be able to distinguish when something that we see right in front of us in our lives isn't part of that surreal reality. So anyway, our thoughts do become our things, and we need to know that. And so the way to take advantage of that is to think the thoughts that you want. And there's something called affirmations. There's also something called Affirmations. And Affirmations was developed by a friend of mine named Noah St. John. And it's a different way of doing affirmations. Affirmations are words that you say to yourself that can give you little bits of information that are going to help you to realize your true potential. And it could be things like, I'm lean, light, and strong, happy, healthy, and calm. Or if you wanted to do an affirmation, you could say, why am I so lean, light, and strong, happy, healthy, and calm? Why do I have all the right resources? Why am I so fit? Why do I eat the right nutrients? So you ask questions instead of just saying the statement. And it does something different in the mind. So if you like that, you can use it. So once again, our thoughts are becoming things. Pay attention to them. Don't let your whimsical thoughts run your life. If you do, you know what's going to happen. You're going to get up every day and you're going to wonder what's coming. And I can tell you what's coming based on talking to you for 10 minutes, because it's based on what you know, what's relevant, what you've been doing, your habits over the past 10, 15, 20 years. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, comment below, let me know. If not, let me know as well. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.